Hi, this is Jeremy with NISSAN. Today we're going to show you how to check the fluids under the hood, whether you're at home or at the gas station. First things first, you should always park level on a level surface so that you don't have an odd reading on your fluids. So we'll pop the hood and get started. We're working on a 2017 Nissan Murano today. So first things first, when you open the hood, you start on either side. Right here we'll start, and over here at the brake fluid. First you take and have a look at your brake fluid level. You can use a flashlight to help see it, and you can see the level line difference where it's maximum and the minimum down here, and your fluid level should be between them, preferably closer to the top. If your fluid level is lower, near the minimum, you should have your brakes checked because there may be a leak or your brakes may be low. And then we'll move across over here, and you've got your cooling system, never open when it's hot. You've got your washer fluid, your electric power steering, and your coolant overflow. So with your cooling system, you never want to open it hot. So we'll check our cooling system. Same thing, you use a flashlight again. You'll have a minimum and maximum level. Our maximum is here and our minimum is further down there under the blue area. So right now we are sitting between the minimum and maximum. So we're sitting fine. This fluid level will come up and down as the fluid gets hotter and colder, as it'll expand and contract from your cooling system and move into your overflow tank. If you ever find that your coolant level is below your minimum line or there's never anything in there, you should always get into the dealership here and have us check it out to make sure you don't have a cooling system leak. Next, your electric power steering. You just spin the cap off, and there's a little crosshatch on the end of there. You just spin it back in and have a look where it's sitting, and it's just in the crosshatch, so you're okay. If it's ever not on the crosshatch, same thing as well. Give us a call here at the dealership and we'll make sure that you don't have a leak. Windshield washer fluid is pretty self-explanatory, not much for checking. You can open it up, have a look down, see if you see any. If not, just top it up till the fluid level's at the top. And then lastly, we'll move into checking your oil. Make sure the engine has been shut off for approximately 2 minutes before you check the oil. Now we're going to pull the dipstick out, clean the dipstick off. And if you look at the dipstick here, there is a crosshatch area here. So that's high and low. We want to make sure our oil is somewhere in the crosshatch area, preferably closer to the top. So we're going to put our dipstick back in the hole, all the way in, hold it for a couple of seconds, and back out. And as we can see there, our fluid level is just below the high. You always want to check both sides of the dipstick. And we are high here. So fluid level is okay. If your oil level is ever low, give us a call, get your vehicle in, and we can check to see if you have a leak. And that's how you check the fluids under the hood.